If your credit score is under 650, you need to know about this strategy right now. Listen, I know what it feels like to be stuck with bad credit. You pay your bills, you wait, and your credit score still doesn't move. But the truth is, some hacks actually work. And today I'm breaking down 4 powerful bad credit hacks that's going to change your credit story starting right now. My name is Calvin Russell Jr., and in this video, I'm going to show you the exact strategies that can remove specific negative items, increase your credit score, and open doors to approvals again. And listen, if you're serious about raising your credit score, qualifying for a home, or even lowering your car payment, check out my private community where people like you are starting to see results fast. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description below. Now let's get started. Most people with bad credit carry the weight of old accounts, collections, or even mistakes that they made years ago. And sometimes it feels permanent, but it's not. And if you watch this video until the end, I'll give you a free tool that's going to help you along the way. Let me show you the first hack. Hack number 1, pay for delete negotiation. Collectors buy old debt and they buy it cheap. That's why many of them will agree to remove the negative mark if you settle. But here's the catch. If you just pay without asking, the negative is going to stay on your credit report. Here's the hack. Always ask for deletion in writing before you send a dime. Think about it. You could pay off $500, but if the account still shows as a settled collection, your credit score is not going to move. But if the collection is removed or deleted, then it's like it never happened. You probably never had a collection company offer this up front. That's because they make money if you pay either way. But if you take control, you will win. Hack number 2, settling small charge-offs. Now let's talk about those small charge-offs that are like under $1,000. The number is really up to you, but let's talk about the ones that's under $1,000. These accounts can be like landmines on your credit report. Banks and credit unions see them and instantly say no. Here's the hack. Settle them, okay? Especially with credit unions. They're more forgiving with small charge-offs, especially when they're cleared out, paid off, or settled in general. Picture this. Someone applies for an auto loan with a $700 charge-off that's still sitting there unpaid. They get denied. The same person settles that account, and weeks later, you guessed it, they're approved. That's how powerful settling these or paying them off can be. Hack number 3, medical debt removal. Now, this one is huge because a lot of people have medical debt. Under new rules, medical collections under $500 are being wiped from credit reports. Millions of people right now are seeing their credit scores jump because of this. But here's the hack. Don't assume that they're gone. Pull your credit report and confirm. If a $200 hospital bill is still showing on your credit report, dispute it right now. Demand deletion. You've probably had a surprise bill before, maybe an ER visit or even a lab test that your insurance company didn't take care of. Those debts used to crush credit scores, but now you have the power to make sure that they're erased from your credit report. Hack number 4, the goodwill letter. Now, sometimes bad credit isn't just from collections. It can come from late payments as well too. And let's be honest, life happens. You miss a payment, maybe during a hardship, but here's the hack. Write a goodwill letter to that lender or financial institution. Ask them to remove the late payment. This works best when you're current on the account again, okay? Now, I gotta say this isn't 100% guaranteed, but it's better than trying nothing at all. Imagine sending a short, respectful letter that says, I've had a hardship, I fixed it, and I've been on time since then. Can you help me by removing this one late payment? Now, some creditors will say yes. I've seen people erase late payments from credit cards, from auto loans, and even from student loans as well with this exact method. It doesn't work every time, but when it does, it's a game changer. Now remember that free gift that I promised earlier? Here it is. It's my personal goodwill letter that you can send to any financial institution. You can scan the QR code right here or click the link in the description below and download it right now on any device. Now I get it, bad credit feels heavy, but with these 4 hacks, pay for delete, clearing small charge-offs or trying to settle them, removing medical debts, and goodwill letters, you can finally take control. And listen, if you're finding this video helpful and you want more, subscribe to the channel today. I post videos like this every single week to help you win with your current credit scores. So let me ask you this, which hack are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget, I got the free credit guide as well that you can download right now. I got that link in the description as well too. Now that credit guide is going to walk you step by step through more ways to increase your credit score. Now, a lot of people ask me, does settling a debt always help your credit score improve? The answer is not always. Sometimes it's about how the account is reported, or if it's related to a credit card, in which it would because it's paid utilization. But that's why deletion is key. And listen, if you like this video, you'll love the next one. I'll see you there.